In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a business card in Canva. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Canva. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so your work saves automatically as you go. On the Canva homepage, use the search bar and type business cards. From the results, make sure you're viewing templates so you can start from a professionally designed layout rather than a blank canvas. Scroll through the options and look for a design that feels close to your vision. To keep everything free, choose a template without the little crown icon. When you found one you like, click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Begin with the essentials on the front of the card. Click the name field and replace it with your own, then update your job title or role. Next, swap the placeholder logo with your brand. Open the Uploads panel, click Upload Files, choose your logo from your computer, and wait for it to finish uploading. Then drag the logo onto the design to replace the existing one. If needed, resize or reposition it so it aligns nicely with the layout. Now update the company or business name. Move on to the contact details and replace the placeholders with your email, phone number, location, and website. Keep the information accurate and concise, only what people need to reach you. Aim for clarity and legibility. A clean layout beats cramming in too much text. If the template includes a backside, switch to it, and mirror your updates there too. Replace the logo and company name so both sides match your branding. This is also a great place for a tagline or a simple graphic, depending on the template. To adjust colors, click the card background, open the color picker, and choose a shade that suits your brand. Scroll through the available options or input your brand colors if you know them. Prioritize contrast so text stays readable against the background. To refine typography, select any text box, open the font menu, and scroll to pick a font that matches your style. Try to stick to one or two fonts for a cohesive look, and adjust size, weight, and spacing to enhance hierarchy. Review both sides for alignment, spacing, and consistency. Make sure elements line up neatly and nothing important sits too close to the edges. Once everything looks polished, you're done designing your business card in Canva.